All right, welcome back. Now we'll be talking on the content. This content is a space containing all the videos you've uploaded, either a normal video, a short video, or a live video, or your playlist. Now, I'm in the video section here. So I've just uploaded a total of 5 or 6 videos. Okay, sorry, 6 videos. This one is unlisted. So these ones are public videos. And this place is this section here is restrictions, meaning if there's a copyright claim, you will see a copyright claim around this place that is written none. Then since I don't have a copyright claim, probably an audio copyright claim or a video copyright claim, or if my video is blocked partially in some countries or territories. So I don't have any restrictions. It means my videos are good to go. Now, this one is the date. I uploaded this video 11th of May 2024, 11th of May, 11th of May, and it was premiered. Then this one I uploaded it today, 21st, okay, yesterday, 21st of May 2024. No views because it's an unlisted video just for one of my personal person. Now, this one is the views I've been able to get, and this is the comments. Oh no, my videos haven't gotten a comment yet. Now the likes versus the dislikes, but YouTube don't really put dislikes again. So yeah, I just have 1 like, 2 like. Now if my videos are probably more than 100, I can just switch it here. How many rows per page do I want? Either I want 30, I'm sorry, 10, 30, or 50, but I just have a total of 6 videos, 1 to 6. Now let's move to the shorts. The shorts is just more like Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So YouTube don't call it Reels, they just call it shorts, meaning short form videos. So I just have one short here, and short videos tends to go far depending on the type of content or the niche you are into. Now, this is my the short video I uploaded 18th of May 2024. That was some days back. And I was able to get 123 views, no comments, and I was able to get 5 likes. So this is where your shorts will appear. This list here, I just have one. So live, I don't have a live video yet. Then your posts, I've not created a post yet. So you can just click create a post. It will take you to a new tab. And you can just say something, or you post an image poll, text poll, quiz, video, and you click post at the end. So that's not where we are going to. Now let's go to playlist. This one shows the number of playlists we have. So I'll be teaching you on how to create a playlist. All you need to do is to go to this create here. Then you can choose new playlist. Then you put the name. I'll make another video on how to create and set up a playlist for your channel. So everything is gradually. Then podcast, you can choose to create a new podcast, set an existing playlist as a podcast, or submit your RSS feed. Now, promotion. This promotion is if you want to run ads, if you want to promote your videos, just like we have sponsored and we have this sponsorship in Instagram, Facebook. So you can choose to make your video come up or rank higher when anybody search for something related to what you do. So now you can promote your channel and business on YouTube, but I'm not really talking about promoting here. Now, this icon here is to highlight all the videos. So 6 selected. Now I can choose to deselect this, then edit. Now you can choose to edit the title, meaning you can change the title for all your videos at once, or you can, if you have a title, you can just insert this new title at the end, or replace all, or insert at the beginning for all the selected videos. So since you are not doing that, you can also choose to write your description. The same thing goes, just like the title. You can choose to put it at the beginning, put it at the end, replace all, or remove the present one. So you are not going into that since it's quite easy to understand. The same thing goes for tags, visibility, your audience, automatic chapters, captions, certificates, category, comments, embedding, license, and so on and so forth. So now we can choose to add all our videos to a playlist. I just need to click this and click save. But I'm not really into making a playlist. Then if you want to delete all your videos at once, you can just go to the more and delete forever. And they will ask you, I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Then you now click the box yes, and you click delete forever. But I'm not going to try that because I really invested. I can't risk uploading the videos again. So this is all about the content section of the YouTube studio. Yes, YouTube studio. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Ephraim and be expectant for more contents dropping soon. Thank you very much.